Welcome, my name's Cullum Stirling, and today we're going to tour this beautiful home. This is a full custom home by Fleming Homes, and it is located in the Ballentrace neighborhood, which, if you're not familiar with the Ballentrace neighborhood, we're only a short drive, approximately 15 minutes from the historic Lebanon Square. So with that, let's get into it. Step inside this nearly 3,500 square foot home consisting of 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a huge bonus room, and more. So make sure you stay till the end to see it all. Kitchen consists of custom designed cabinets with soft closed doors, topped off with granite counters. The microwave is built into the island for efficiency, and under cabinet lighting added as a nice touch, although not turned on in this video. Located just off the kitchen, you can have some fun filling up this pantry. In case you're wondering, that is a gas fireplace. As we head to this side of the house, you'll find 3 nicely sized bedrooms, each containing a large closet with custom shelving. Along with the bedrooms, you'll find 1 full bathroom with a dual vanity and tub shower combo. A very nice perk of this back bedroom is the pond view. Hopefully you don't find the kids fighting over it. As we head to the other side of the house, you'll find the owner suite, utility room, bonus room, additional bedroom, and the 3-car garage. And now for one of my favorite perks of this house, check out the entertainment space and peace that this back patio offers. Now, one thing to note is this property does actually run into the pond, so there's a pretty good opportunity for you to build a little custom dock. Now, one of the really cool or unique things about this property is that it has a massive safe room. If you're in the South, you know tornadoes are a common thing. You could use this as a man cave and also as a safe shelter for your family. So let's check this thing out. Thanks for joining us on this tour. We hope you enjoyed it. If you find yourself interested in this property or you're looking for a house but need someone to help you out, please do reach out. We would love to set an appointment and see if we are a good fit for you. That is it for now. Otherwise, additional property details are in the description or linked somewhere around this video. Also, if you enjoy what you see, please do follow us on all things social media at Stirling Venture Group. And that is it. We will see you guys around town. For now, we're gonna take a couple minutes and go enjoy this view. See you guys soon.